know that your home intakes air and releases it just like your lungs are doing all the time and you don't even notice it? Your home is taking air through the soffit and releases it out that ridge vent. The soffit plays a crucial role in how much air can actually flow through there. Some do it great, some don't do it at all, and that's what we want to talk about today. So net-free area, or NFA, refers to the total area of openings in the soffit that allows air to pass through unobstructed. Proper ventilation in your attic helps prevent mold, mildew, and all the health issues that come with that. It also helps prevent ice dams. It can help extend the roof deck, the shingle life, and can even help protect the structure of your home. Not all soffit is created equal. What we like to say here is there's vented and then there's dented. Vented allows all the proper airflow to get through the attic and get out the ridge vent, and then you have dented. It's kind of like a stuffy nose. You can't get in all the air that you actually need. But how much NFA does a home need? There's an easy solution for that. The typical ridge vent is going to take in an 18 NFA. That means as the air flows in your soffits and out of your ridge vent, I need to add up to an 18. So I will need a 9 and a 9 NFA soffit to make sure your home is breathing properly. Quality Edge has a full line of soffit products. They all meet or exceed NFA requirements. They're fully vented, not dented, and they come in a range of colors and profiles to match any project.